We've had a question from a gCADPlus user about dimensions, and she is puzzled by why is it that when you let your mouse hover over a linear dimension and you use it, and we'll repeat what's already been done, we'll snap to that point there and snap to that point and pop the dimension in. If you select the dimension and look at its name in the properties box, it's called a rotated dimension, but in fact it's not rotated at all. Well, the command to use it, if I right click, see it says DIMLINEAR, so the actual command is DIMLINEAR, but rotated dimension is the object name that it creates, and both horizontal and vertical linear dimensions are called rotated ones. So if we pick this one over here, it's also called a rotated dimension, and that's the way Autodesk, and remember that gCADPlus is modelled on AutoCAD, that's the way it was done originally in AutoCAD, and we really don't know why. The nomenclature seems a little odd to us, but that's the reason for the difference between the name of the command and the entity that it produces. Notice the difference between this dimension and the one that we just put in, 1131 and 1130. If I select that dimension, come over here and notice that the measurement was 1130.9, and that's a nonsensical one for construction team to work with, so 1130, an override has been applied. This one here, again, it's 1130.992, and that will be influenced by the number of digits in the current dimension style. If we look here, precision is 0, round off, and so on. So you can influence these settings in the dimension style. We're not in favour of using overrides. They're to be avoided where possible because that can confuse the construction team. So there's just a little explanation as to why dimensions seem to be labelled in the properties box in an unusual way.